Good morning. It's time to go fishing. It's rainy outside. It came down as ice a little bit last night, some snow, but I don't think it's gonna stop us. Got the canoe put up in there. I'm out of breath. The ice in the bed of my truck. I don't have any liner in there, so I had to definitely lower my center of gravity. All right, so we're here. Water looks pretty good. The snow's melting off. It's high. It's a little high, so that's good. It gets pretty shallow up the creek here to get into the lake. So we're gonna drop in down East Branch Cadorce Creek, and we're gonna paddle up to the opening of Lake Redmond there and see if we can get a fish on. Ooh. Okay. Not too shallow for us, but it gets really shallow here. Like walkable and fishable in the summer shallow. Cinder block. Super old cinder block in the water. Yeah, I bet there's some times where it'll be so shallow you can't get out here from a boat. If you drop over there, you'll have to drop further up. Water's super clear over here. I mean, it's getting really shallow now. Word of warning, I do not catch any fish in this video. I skunk out big time, but I wanted to upload the video anyway for some practice editing, and I still think it's a pretty cool video just to see what the lake looks like in this late winter with still some ice on it. I wasn't able to get to any of the deeper parts of the lake where probably the fish were holding, but this is my first time trying to seriously fish out there. I'm already thinking I made a million mistakes. I should have been using a much smaller bait. I've been watching other people online and learning a lot, so I'm kind of laughing at myself now, but that's how you do it. So there's seagulls sitting on the ice. Alright, let's try the wacky worm here. The scoundrel. Just let it sit on the bottom there, under that bridge. All nice and calm like. No bites. Now there's some bites. People bites. I brought this I brought broccoli and cheese soup with me. This will re-energize me. I just had a little snack, so I'm gonna start casting again and see if we can get something. It's just crazy, just cold. It's cold. There's a skunk in the boat, so we're gonna try to get it out. We'll see.